This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use KML files in ArcGIS. First, open your ArcGIS Pro or ArcMap application. Navigate to the Geoprocessing pane or Arc Toolbox. Search for the KML to Layer tool. This tool is crucial for converting your KML data into a format that ArcGIS can fully utilize. It will create a new feature layer and a geodatabase feature class from your KML input. Once you've found the KML to Layer tool, you'll need to provide two main inputs. First, browse to your KML or KMZ file on your computer. Second, choose an output folder and name for the new geodatabase and layer file that ArcGIS will create. The tool will then convert all the geographic features, such as points, lines, and polygons, from your KML into a usable format within your ArcGIS project. After the conversion completes, a new layer will appear in your Contents pane. This layer is actually a group layer containing several feature classes, typically for points, lines, and polygons derived from your KML. You can now symbolize these layers, adjust their properties, and even edit the features. This allows for full integration of your KML data into your existing GIS workflows, opening up many possibilities for analysis. For more advanced use, remember that KML files can hold a lot of descriptive information. Always check the attribute tables of your newly created feature classes to see what data is available. You might also want to project your data to a local coordinate system for better accuracy in your region. Finally, you can easily share your integrated KML data by publishing it as a web layer or creating a layer package for others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.